Welcome viewers. Today we are going to start with a new exercise, that is linear equation in one variable of class 8. This is chapter 2 and exercise is 2.1. So question number 1, we have to find the value of variable x. Okay. Now in this equation, let's revise first of all what is expression and what is equation. If you consider this portion, right, x minus 2, this has got a variable, this is x, that is x, and this is known as expression. When an expression has got an equal to sign and it has got two component, left hand side and right hand side, this becomes an equation, right? That is, it has got an is equal to sign and left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so let's get started with the first question. We have to find value of x. So while dealing with an equation, you have to transpose, okay, transpose the values, and as much as possible one side you keep bringing the variables and on the other hand you put the defined values. So this is known as transposition, okay, that is change in position. And whenever a rational number, whole number or an integer changes position, it also changes its sign. So in this case we can write this equation as s equals to, we are going to transpose this to the other hand side of the is equal to sign. Okay, so this minus 2 will become plus 2. So while transposing, you reverse the sign of the number. It may be any number. Okay, so this minus 2 will become plus 2, and hence we'll add these two. So we'll get the result as s equal to 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Clear? Moving on to the next question. Here also we'll transpose this to this side. So we'll write this equation as y is equal to 10 plus 3 here will become minus 3 here, and we will get value of the variable y is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. Clear? Moving on to this equation. Here the variable is on the right hand side. So let's write it this way. 6 we'll keep it this side, and we'll define values. Let's move on to the left hand side because 6 is on the left hand side. Okay, so this 2 will become minus 2 here, and the variable stays on the right hand side. So we'll get z is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. Clear? In this equation there is a rational number, so we can write this x and we'll transpose this to the right hand side. So x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Okay, so this becomes x is equal to common denominator, and 17 minus 3, that is 14. This equals to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Clear? Moving on to the next question. Equation is 6x is equal to 12. So here 6x can be written as 6 into x is equal to 12, right? As I told, while you transpose, the number changes its sign. So any number which is multiplied with another number, it's get divided on the other side. Okay, so you have, when practicing this become very simple, and you just while migrating on to the other side, you automatically put its position. Okay, so 6 into x is equal to 12. So 6 is multiplied with x, so we can write this equation as x equal to, this 6 will get divided here. Okay, so x is equal to 12 divided by this 6. So we get the answer as x is equal to 2. Clear? Moving on to the next question. T divided by 5 is equal to 10. So here 5 is dividing t. So while it moves to other side of the equation, it multiplies the number on that side. So we'll write t is equal to this 5 will multiply with 10. 10 stays here and we multiply this 5 with 10 on this side. So the answer is t is equal to 10 into 5, that is 50. Clear? In this question, 2 into x divided by 3 is equal to 18. So after transposing, how can we write this equation? We can write 2x is equal to 18. This 3 gets multiplied to 18, okay, while transposing, into 3, okay. This 3 gets multiplied to 18 while we change its position. Again, this is nothing but 2 into x, so we can write x is equal to, this 2 will get into its divisory position when it moves to the other side. 18 into 3 divided by 2. This is nothing but 9 into 3. Okay, that means answer is x is equal to 27. This question, 1.6 is equal to y divided by 1.5. So we can write this 1.5 will move to, while we transpose, will become, get multiplied to 1.6. So 1.6 into 1.5 is equal to y. Okay. So we multiply this. We can write this. Let's do it in a more simple form. We can write this as 16 into 15 divided by 10 into 10. Okay, this equals to y. Okay, so 15 0. So this becomes y is equal to 240 divided by 100. Okay, that means y is equal to 2.4. Understood? So let's move on to the last part of the exercise. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. So we can write this 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. Okay, so 7x is equal to 25, right? So x is equal to 25 by 7. Okay, 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So we can write this as 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. Okay, that means 14y is equal to 21. So y is equal to, will come here, 21 by 14, that means 3, 7 3s are 21, 3, 7 2s are 3 by 2. Okay, so y is equal to 3 by 2. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. So we can write 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. So we can straightaway bring p is equal to 9 minus 17 divided by 6. Okay, so this actually, so p is equal to, this is minus, so we'll get minus 9 by 6. So minus 8 by 6. Okay, so this equal to 2 and sorry 3, and this 4, minus 4 by 3. Okay, Moving on to the last question. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So we can write this as x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Okay, so x is equal to 3 inside bracket, so you get 3 multiplied to this one, 7 by 15 minus 1. Okay, so this becomes 3, 15, 7 minus denominator, common denominator 15, and this is 7 minus 15. Okay, this equals to 3 into 15 minus 7, that is 8 by 15. Okay, so this become, in fact this is minus 8, so this become x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Correct? So this completes our exercise 2.1.